Hey you guys, thank you for joining me on a new episode of Food and the Single Guy. I am still your very own AMARU. Now a couple of months ago I purchased a couple of kitchen appliances, among which a juicer. And on this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a very delicious, very healthy, very quick, very simple juice that you can make at the house with your newly purchased juice extractor. So let's get on with it, shall we? Because I cannot wait to share this one with you. Okay, beautiful people, so for this juice I'm going to use 2 cucumbers, 2 pears, 2 lemons, 2 apples, a piece of ginger, and some fresh mint. And according to the instruction manual of my juicer, they say that you don't have to cut the fruits or vegetables in half. However, I will do that because I'm not trying to break my juicer. Yeah, as much as I love technology, I am not taking any chances because this juicer was very expensive, so hence. Anyways, so here we have my chopped up vegetables and my fruits ready to be juiced. Okay everybody, so this right here, this is my juicer. This bad boy is going to do all the work in a minute. This little thingamajig, this is what you use to press the fruit and the vegetables down the shaft of the juicer. This right here is the jug or the juice collector or the measuring cup, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, very conveniently, it has the measuring index on the side and it goes up to 1.5 liters. Now, my biggest selling point was this lid. Now, when you juice fruit at the house, you will notice that while doing that, a layer of foam will start to form in your measuring cup, right? Now, this lid, as you can see, it is bent. This prevents the foam from ending up in your glass. And that was my biggest selling point. All right, so let's get on with it, shall we? So without further ado, let us continue. I'm going to start adding some of the cucumber, just like so. I'm going to use the thingamajig to press it down with, just like so. And now I'm going to turn on the machine. Here we go. There we go. Moving on. Oh yes. And that concludes our juicing. As you can see, the pulp is all over the lid, but that's the way it goes. The majority of the pulp is here in the pulp collector on the right hand side of the machine. I'm going to open the lid in a minute so you can see what it looks like. Okay, now let me show you the rest. As you can see, it is very messy, but that's the way it goes. And over here, this is where the majority of the pulp collects. Now let's move on to the juice because this is what it looks like, and as you can see, this is the foam that I was talking about earlier. We are now going to pour the juice into our jar, just like so. And as you can see, you get nothing but the juice. See, you simply get the juice and not the foam, and that's the way it should be. And there you have it. Wasn't that quick? Wasn't it easy? Wasn't it simple? Oh, but it was. And I'll say it again, it was very delicious. All right? Now, if you decide to try this one, let me know how it turned out because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, happy juicing. Don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. All right? Have a good one, you guys. Bye.